Every time I need to roll up my window, it's about this point. Just skips. Semi-manual, which means, or fully manual, you got to pull it up to roll it up. So we're gonna fix the teeth skipping. I put the eBay window regulator bushings, or the guide bushing, so my window actually doesn't flop back and forth. Nice and brittle. Then there should be a plug here. Just for the armrest, there should be 3 screws. Okay, 3-ish. Just gonna use a trim tool here, and we're just going to pry wherever there's a clip, which okay, lift it up, take out the wiring for the light. Alright, so this window regulator, the roller has a bunch of play. I shimmed it before, but it was only temporary. 1 bolt here, and here. Last one's in here. This will release our connection to the front. Okay, good. Alright, those are the guides I had put in. Well, now we gotta take out this whole regulator. It all fits through this access hole. If you made it this far, congratulate yourself, because the first time I did this, I didn't know what I was doing and it took forever. So you can see the previous mods I did for the guides. Alright, pull out my favorite workbench, because this toolbox is a terrible workbench. So more or less, I had to grind these flush so it wouldn't come in contact with anything. So let's take them out. Oh, that's spring loaded. Oh, cool. All right. Okay, so we're out. That didn't work. So what I need to do too is I gotta weld this hole smaller, because this just denses in there. In the end, I could just find another regulator, but yeah, here we are. So this was in here like this, and this also has like a spring or something. So thing, if you notice, the teeth are worn out on the inside. So if I extend this and then shim it, it should be better than before. See how you can see the profile of this tooth? From here, it starts getting flat. Let's turn on the gas, because we're contaminating our welds. Look at that fat booger there. Isn't that a nice fat booger? We're gonna chuck it up in our lathe. And then we're just gonna get the grinder and we're gonna fit this right in there. Right, machined it down, and that fits right in there. I really don't think it's gonna skip anymore. So I gotta do something with that. I grinded down the rivet and now I'm hammering it out. There we go. Like this bushing, it exists right there. And if you 180 it, there's a big valley there. So again, we're gonna have to fill this up with weld and machine it. Okay, I have some unconventional methods. I found this sway bar end link, which I want to insert into here and then take the place of this. The garage is a mess, but this is what I did. I drilled out the hole, I freeballed it, eyeballed it the best I could, made that flat, and now I'm going to put this in the lathe, get this back in here. It doesn't look too great, but this should be center now. I also cleaned the tracks, scraped off the old grease, and man, this thing is smooth.